Welcome back to the channel. So dramatic. Today is a Tuesday, and that means absolutely nothing to you or me, honestly. So I'm here with Boogie. Say hi, Boogs. Stella's at my mom's house because they have a special connection and they love each other. I think that Stella likes my mom more than me. Nugget only listens to me. I've been up since probably 6:30 this morning. I'm finally waking up normal again. I had a really tired couple weeks. I also had a lot of anxiety yesterday, and it sucked, and I just kept telling myself, Lauren, you've felt these feelings before. This is just anxiety. It's not you. Don't make it worse. If you can't boost your mood, just accept it, decide what to do. I think I get really anxious when I'm really tired. Sometimes honestly, the only thing to help me feel better is to actually catch up on sleep, rest, and wake up and have a new day. I wasn't too hard on myself. I didn't shame myself. I didn't judge myself. When you get anxiety or you get really down, it's easy to be oh my god, I hate this feeling, what's happening? But I also know the feeling so well. So I was just Lauren, you've done this before, you felt this before, you get to the other side eventually, it's not forever. And so I woke up early this morning, took little Boogerton on a WALK, and then I went to the dentist because the pandemic just set me back a little bit on my dental journey goals. Just haven't been to the dentist in forever. And I also have been wanting to whiten my teeth because I'm really insecure about them. I never kept up with my retainer, and I got bonding a few years ago, and then that kind of went away, and I have all these weddings coming up. So I went to a really amazing dentist this morning. I was there for 2 hours, and I'm gonna start Invisalign in a few weeks. So wear your braces. Well, you have to. They're not permanently-ish on your teeth. Wear your retainer, kids, okay? Wear your retainers because you will one day be approaching 30 getting Invisalign, okay? Anyway, my mom wants to go to the pool today, and even though I do have quite a bit of work to do, I just feel sometimes there's more hours in the day than we give the days credit for. You know, it's everything's gonna be fine. The world's gonna keep turning, even if you just do a little self-care for a couple hours and have family time. So we're gonna do that because YOLO. Zac Efron once tattooed on his hand wise words, and they were YOLO. Can we talk about Channing Tatum and Zoe Kravitz for a second? So since I did a lot of resting and recharging yesterday, I'm gonna make sure I do a lot of mood boosting today, and there's no better way to mood boost than with you guys. Yay! Look what came with my book of the month, a little tote bag. You know I love a tote bag. Okay, so if you guys don't know book of the month, I get it every month, and if you're not new here, you know that, and you know that their books are absolutely amazing. I'm gonna show you guys my little outfit of the day. Mood merch, sweatshorts, Birkenstocks, and a little Brandy Melville t-shirt. I ordered 2 more of these tote bags from myself, I guess. Mood booster tote bag, because when I'm going to the pool or beach, we don't want to take a nice bag. I do the Lululemon fanny inside of the tote bag so that if I don't need everything in the tote bag, I can just go back and forth. I have my new wallet, which is hot pink. How cute is that? Don't we love that? My Malin & Getz lip balm. Is this a mood merch day or what? Mood merch hat? Say what? Say less. Ow. So this is from the Daily Edited. It says LE, and then my AirPod case is from the Daily Edited, and I attached them together, and honestly it comes so much in handy because I always want to have AirPods in, and now I'm never looking for them or anything like that, which is amazing. Since I had to wake up early to go to the dentist, I got a bunch of Sakara bars. So I did the detox bar just now, but I have the metabolism one, and this is my other I feel this is an underrated favorite, the beauty one. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I was gone for literally 30 seconds because I forgot I had therapy today instead of yesterday. Scratch the workout. I'd rather jump in the shower, be able to do work and self-care, and go to the grocery store so I can cook dinner tonight. I also wanted to be able to dry my hair because sometimes you just don't want to look like Hagrid, you know? Okay, so I did a lot of curly kale last week. So I got dinosaur kale, watermelon. I compared prices. The other option that wasn't pre-cut, it was fair. Okay, it was fair. And I'm lazy. 1 lemon. I got 1 chicken breast because if I'm just cooking for myself, there's no reason to get a pack of 4, and they don't sell packs of 1. But the guy was so nice, and he was like, they're really small, so I'm giving you an extra after he already put the price tag on it. Talk about a mood booster. Cherry tomatoes. That's literally all I got. It also sounds really good to put like hot sauce in rice for some reason to me right now, like with chicken, like all in one bite. I don't know. This is lazy. So we either have creamy Parmesan style risotto or garlic herb. This is literally my favorite rice on the entire planet. It's so good. It's obviously like better for you. It's made from plants and it has way more protein, way more fiber, and less carbs, and it cooks in 12 minutes. I think I'm gonna do the garlic herb because I did the risotto style last week and I don't really want creamy Parmesan. And then literally all I have is garlic powder, turmeric, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. So I'll use those for the chicken. It's literally so easy to use the air fryer, and this cooks really fast, and like you want to eat it right when it's ready. So literally, basically, you just have to prep everything at the same time and like make, like I actually do the salad first, and then I do the rice in the air fryer at the same time because they're like pretty much ready at the same time. And this is gonna be appetizer actually. I don't have a real cutting board. Lazy Town USA, wash off your kale. Pow, pow, pow. I do like half of the bunch so that I could obviously have the other half. This is also like a really easy thing to like throw almonds in or some other kind of nut that you like. And then you wanna like massage the kale. You can massage it with olive oil or you can just massage it by itself. It's totally up to you as the masseuse, so decide whatever you want, just massage her. You use half the lemon for the salad, a little drizzle. Another thing I like doing in the summer is putting figs in kale salad or blueberries. And then I was using an avocado dressing just from Whole Foods last week, but I didn't feel like buying dressing, and I kind of feel like doing tomatoes since I haven't done it in a while. So this is really easy to clean because all you do is you pop this out. So I just cleaned that really quick. Filling up the pot, so it's not that much water, but it's because it all absorbs. I'm gonna just open the chicken on this. I got it so it was already flattened out, and I think I can fit both breasts. Olive oil, just a little easy peasy, and I'm gonna rub it around after so I don't have to rinse my hands again. Salt, Himalayan salt, pepper, garlic. This is like, it'll taste good, but you could have marinated it. And then for good measure, some turmeric. Anti-inflammatory, and some red pepper flakes. A little bit of olive oil on the thing, and then I'll do one of these. And like, you should probably season both sides, but you know, who's counting? One, perfect. And two, literally fits perfectly. Both in there. You can save the lemon to squeeze on it after. It's like such a boring dinner, but it's like literally so lazy. Water's already boiling. I'm gonna do 8 minutes. Set timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
Boom, baby, that's it. Okay, so just waiting for the rice to be almost done. That's how fast this is. It's literally faster than cooking rice. Nugget, none is for you. A lot of the recipes I saw too online were like panko crusted cutlet, because this is like super, super, super healthy. I guess it's kind of like baking it. Like if you put a little bit of panko breadcrumbs on it, like do kind of like that kind of chicken cutlet, it'd have like a nice crisps to it. But obviously since there's no chicken skin on it, there's nothing to like really like crisp up besides like the seasoning and stuff. But like I said, super lazy. This is something you could easily do if you wanted to like put it in tacos. You could put it in the salad. You could save it for later, make a sandwich. Like easiest meal prep ever. This would also be a really easy way to like make a bowl. So if you wanted to do the rice, the chicken, and then air fry a couple veggies and do the kale, you could do like a nice bowl. I don't have time for that tonight. I just don't. So we're gonna do hot sauce, chicken, kale, tomato, and rice. And that is literally the most boring you will ever see me eat. And that's when you know I am literally so lazy and ate an entire bag of granola an hour and a half ago, which is like why your mom tells you not to eat dessert before dinner, because you lose your appetite. And she's done. It's literally hard being such a genius. So we just woke up, obviously looking not great. I just took Nugget out to go to the dog run to go potty really quick. Stella's been staying at my mom's. It makes it a lot easier because they have totally different personalities, and Nugget, like they both need like extra attention in like total opposite ways. It was like so much easier when we had like a yard and stuff, but just like living in the city, it's like really, really hard with both of them. So we kind of just like switch off a little bit. And now someone is waiting for their breakfast. Little farmer's dog. So today I'm waiting on a bunch of packages. I got one package that's so exciting. Dun, da, da, da. Oh my god, I match. Dun, da, 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 da. And then I'm waiting on like 2 more things because I did like a ton of fall shopping, but I did link a bunch of stuff that I bought on my website. So I did like a pre-fall, like what's in my cart haul. So you can go check that out. And so I do go to California in just a few days, and I'm gonna be there probably for a few weeks. I'm visiting like my boyfriend and my friends. That'll be really fun to take you guys on the vlog. In the meantime, we need to get our lives together. And what I'm gonna do is bring, oh my god, how cute. Look what came with my book of the month, a little tote bag. You know I love a tote bag. Okay, so if you guys don't know book of the month, I get it every month. And if you're not new here, you know that, and you know that their books are absolutely amazing. They have a whole team that vets tons and tons of books. They basically do the work for you. You can choose what you want. This month, I chose a book that looks so good, and literally the last 2 or 3 months, I can't even keep track, it's been my favorite book. Like, it's so good. If you get the new releases like early, it's such a better price than a hardcover book. Okay, so this month's book, I'm so excited. It's called The Neighbor's Secret. With its sprawling yards and excellent schools, Cotton Estates is the perfect place to raise children. Some of Cottonwood Estate's longest buried secrets begin to surface. That's what I like to hear. Even if it means someone has to die. Oh, so excited. Book of the Month is a super popular and fast growing book service. It's all online, and it's really cool because their mission is to promote new and emerging authors. So it's like you don't have to do the digging, you don't have to do the vetting. They have an incredible team that does it for you, and you're like ahead of the curve. So they give you a choice through their curated selection. So I always choose like something that's my taste, but they have something for everyone. And sometimes I do want to choose more than one book because like literally their team curates such an incredible selection. I never skip because it's like literally that good and I look forward to it. But Book of the Month is risk-free. You can skip any month at any time, and of course you won't be charged. They have the best price for new release hardcover because hardcovers are expensioso. And you can get your first hardcover book for $9.99, but like with my code. So you can head to bookofthemonth.com, see all the other picks for this month. This is the one I picked. Obviously, I'm gonna recommend it to you guys because that's what happens every single month. But use my code FALL5 to get your first hardcover book for $9.99. I also got 2 new sweatshirts from Sporty and Rich. This red one, and then how funny is this? Because I always say this. Sports! I love it. I love it. Like, it's so, oh my God, I'm so excited. And I kind of have this like idea of like styling like sweatshirts with like cute pants and shoes and like cute blazers and coats and stuff now that I live in the city. And then I don't know what it is, but like I always go back and forth with jewelry, and obviously for summer it's just been like so sweaty and humid. I've just been wearing my cross necklace and some of my bracelets, but I just like have this vision of myself with just like one chain with like all of my looks. Obviously not this look. This is from Orium, Castamiko's brand. You're gonna see necklaces like this like all over Instagram. I can just tell. They won't be falling off other people, but they will be falling off me because I'm a mess. Because I have this vision of me with like a big bracelet like this too. I get visions. And then I'm waiting on a big Reformation order. Let's not look like this and take Boogie on a WAOK. Wow, what a turn of events. She's wearing a gray shirt and Lululemon. Woo! And Birkenstocks. Fashion is so easy. I have a wedding right when I get back from California, and I'm a bridesmaid, and my dress doesn't zip up in the back. It like stops right here. I have no idea how it's gonna work, but like I'm in the wedding. Like I can't wear a different dress. So, and there's no returns or exchanges, and the wedding's in a month. It's really pretty though, I'm so excited. My best friend's getting married. Put this maybe like right here. She said she'll literally kill me if I don't get it tailored before I leave for California. So that's on the to-do list today. Adulting. Mommy's home. Nothing exciting has happened to the hot mess of it all, but we did go to the grocery store and I got inspired. I had to go to Target and I got inspired to make a pasta salad for dinner tonight. Since I leave in a few days, it'll be something that's like so easy to sit in the fridge and you can still eat cold for like lunch or a snack. Let's do it. Like I had a vision and it came to me, and Oh my God, my dog is humping the air. So I wanted to get all that done before I go and do like beauty errands today. So I got some of the ingredients from Target, and then I got some of the ingredients from the store. I was not lying when I said I'm obsessed with these. I literally already opened them and started eating them in the car, and I was like, Lauren, go home and actually eat something and don't just eat this whole bag of chips. But I opened them. I got you stuff too. I need to apologize. My hair took so long. Looks amazing, but I'm starving. We're about to watch me cook the dinner we spoke about with subtitles, because like I just need to make dinner. I'm so hungry. Sorry, listening to a podcast.